Hello Unocoiner, welcome to Unocoin, crypto का super app. In this video we will talk about what are NFTs. A non-fungible token NFT is a unique individual token existing on a blockchain such as Ethereum. Unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, each NFT token contains unique data, meaning non-fungible tokens are not interchangeable with each other. This non-fungible nature of the tokens means their use cases differ significantly from their fungible counterparts. Let us take an example. You and I have 2000 INR notes. Even if we exchange the note, the value remains the same for both INR notes. But in the case of NFTs, suppose I have a painting and you also have another painting. Still, it won't be the same, considering the variation in creation date, design, and the quality of the painting. This means NFTs are unique. Anything we can think of can be made as NFT. Until today, most NFTs are digital tokens, art, music, videos, etc. Someday you can also put your land, house, and other physical objects into NFT. NFT allows creators, artists, writers, and anyone to sell their art and creation to make a living with crypto. But do you think an NFT, a single tweet, or a graphical design can be worth so much? It may not. It is valuable only because people believe, just as we think a paper note is valuable. Imagine you are living during the time of ancient Egypt. The king and other royal nobles of the kingdom collected crafts and valuable precious items because they believed it was collectible, rare, immutable, unique, and could be exchanged to save their noble families who were held hostages during wartime. The only difference today with NFT is that they are digital. Let us see the rise and history of NFTs in our next video. I hope this video was informative to you. For more educational videos, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Love crypto coins, love Unocoin. Thanks for watching.